Welcome to another episode of Hip Hop Review. Guys, my name is Ceech and I love to share this dance culture of ours. Every week I post dance videos to help you improve your dance journey. So if you could benefit from this type of video, hit the like button. You know what to do. It helps with the channel more than you know. And of course, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, because it's gonna bring you 7 years of good luck. All right, guys, so this is my class, my adult class out of Aptos, California, Cabrillo College. The breakdowns for these moves will be in the description below. Other than that, I'm gonna stop talking. Enjoy the video. This video will play one more time without me talking. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace. And I'm out.